This is the Insta360 One R Twin Edition with an interchangeable lens. Well, let's open it up. Here we go. Let's open this thing up. The 360 lens. And then this piece. I have this box. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Here we go. A USB cable. So we'll put this in here for now. Look at that little lens cloth. Decals, instructions, quick start. So we'll put this right there. Looks like a case for it all. Oh, that's nifty. A little lens cap for your... And then in here, my guess is that it's more mounting stuff. Put that there. It's a little bit difficult to get that to go in. But finally, there we are. That has a little thread there. So what's in the box? We have the main body of the One R. We have its little case. It's somewhat like a GoPro mounting case. We have the 360 lens. We have the 4K lens, which is already on here. This piece, this is the battery. There's the unboxing.